So it's raining, but that's my Starlink right there. As you can see, there are two wires. The first one is the power cable, and the other one is the Ethernet cable. Let me zoom this. You can see it up closely. So you can see it's raining, but this is the Ethernet, and the other one is the power for the Starlink Mini. So that's the setup. There is some obstruction also here. We see it in the app. So this tank is obstructing my Starlink, but still working. So let's catch up. So I have my tender Wi-Fi router. The Ethernet that we have seen from the Starlink, I have used it as the wide area network on the router. So that's the complete setup. These other ones are the output ports. So that's it. Now then we have seen the setup. Let's jump right into the Starlink app and see what's going on here. So for this, you can see my phone. So Starlink. So the app is open. You can see the ping success and the latency 21 ms. That's the ping success in the last 15 minutes. So let's go to statistics. Power consumption, it's using 22 watts on average in the last 15 minutes. Throughput, outages in the last 15 minutes. So there was some obstruction, 12 seconds. So those small obstruction, let's see why the obstruction is happening. So on the obstruction map, like I said, I have the building that is disrupting some signal, but it's not expected to make the noticeable impact on the service. Like I said, you've seen the outages in the app, but on my side, I'm not seeing the outages. I've not detected them. So my Starlink is also aligned in the correct direction. And the next thing I'm gonna check is the speed. Let's check speed. So the Starlink, I have bypassed the Starlink. So the Mini is in the roof, but it's not used as a router. I'm using an external router, the tender. So let's speed test. So you can see the speed. It's almost hitting 100, 95 Mbps, 85. That the download speed and the upload speed is hitting around 20 Mbps. And the ping now. So the ping is also not that bad. It's good, 70 ms. Sorry. So let's check. So another thing is Starlink is, I'll recommend it because let's take the statistics now. I'll go to data usage. So this is the data usage between March and April. You can see I've used 463 GB, and February I used 916 GB. January I used 1.16 GB. December I used 363 GB. You can see there was a blank period. I wasn't available. November to December 1.97 GB. October to November is 1.1 GB. There's a single day I used almost 212 GB on just one day. This it was November 16th. So it's fun. This was the first month receiving the Starlink. Too many downloads, but for now I'm not downloading too much. But you can see the spikes. Sometime I hit 39 GB per day. See, and I'm using the residential light subscription, which in a Kenyan shilling it's 4,000 Kenyan shillings. And I think if you're looking for a review, I'll recommend it, because using the local ISP, I would not have been able to achieve those stats. So for me, I've used this Starlink since October last year, and now it's April, almost 6 months. So that's, and the product, this is Starlink Mini, so I don't use the standard activated kit, but it's good. It's really worth it. So I think if you are looking for something to support your buyers, whether to buy or not to buy, personally I recommend it. Yeah. And especially if you're in rural areas, it's just so simple to set up, and just point it to the correct direction at a clear view and you're good to go. And even if the view is not that clear, the obstruction might not even affect your service, like in my situation here. So streaming is good. Let me speed test on laptop. See on the figures we're getting, 69, 63. So this this changes with the depending on time. So it's good, it's really good. I recommend it personally. For personal use, this is the best thing you can have as your internet provider. And even if it's raining, the service, there might be a few outages, but compared to the local ISP, I'm telling you, far better. Starlink Mini, far better. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. You can support my channel by subscribing. I'm trying to push. So see you on the next content.